want to see if y'all can see me. I'm hoping y'all can see me. I need y'all to tell me what I look like. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see.
Made it out now, ready to work. Down bad, had my head in the dirt. You can make things better or worse, but at the end of the day, everything's okay. Everything's okay. Hey. Down bad, had my head in the dirt. I lifted up from the ground, I thought it'd be no way. I made it out now, I'm ready to work. I broke away from the curse, got rid of all my always. You can make things better or worse, but at the end of the day, everything's okay. I love my brothers, put my family first. It's on you if it get better or worse. It's up to you, I'm only telling the truth. To make it better or worse, my nigga, you gotta choose. Fuck the beef, my nigga, we need a truce. So we gon' stay at the bottom like some motherfucking
Man. Where did I begin at? I don't even know where to begin at. Hey, I just got done working on my dream car. It's still here. I'm about to show y'all something else. Because we getting cars out, we getting cars in. With that being said, one of my neighbors specializes in Mini Coopers. My guy Nick, he's a good guy. This is probably like the second car that I've done for him. Well, just parts, pieces. But he does everything with Mini Coopers. He is the Mini Cooper guy around here. So I do business with the Jeep guy. He specializes in Jeeps. I do business with the Cooper guy. And I've done business with the Mazda guy. These guys specialize in certain cars, certain years. They had they niche. I'm trying to find my way in the game, you know, because everybody know I love American muscle. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Tropicana right here. But the new car is nothing like Hot Rods, American Muscle. Is far from that. But I can't tell y'all what it is. You gotta keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start a Mr. Tropicana. I'm gonna bag her up and see every time I introduce a car or send it home, however I'm gonna do it, it's always gonna be different. That's why you need to watch this channel. But I'm gonna go ahead and bag it up and I'm gonna get to it.
Made it out now, ready to work. Down bad, had my head in the dirt. It happens to be worse than ever. I get it all up off the muscle, cause the perks is better, my nigga. Made it out now, ready to work. Down bad, had my head in the dirt.
Hey, I just want y'all to tell me, how do I look in this right here? Is this like this me right here? Something like this? I want y'all to picture me rolling in this right here. Let's see. I'm just trying to see, do I look like this is my ride? You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to comment below. Let me know if this is the look I need right here. It's low key. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. This might be me right here. This might be what I really need. You know what I'm saying? Something like, I don't know. I want to see if y'all can see me. I'm hoping y'all can see me. I need y'all to tell me what I look like. Let me see. Yeah. It's cool. It's a cool car. Don't get me wrong. This is a cool car. But this shit ain't me. You know what I'm saying? Nah, this ain't me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more. I'm gonna see if I can possibly get it in between here and there. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it up in between here and there. I think I can probably squeeze it in between. So, get all this stuff out the way. That's a good thing about this little Mini Cooper. I'll be able to put it in tight little spots and stuff. That's what's cool about working on them. Let's see if I can get up in here in this little tight area right here.
Reason it happened for it to never be right. They taught us we was animals and we can't be nice. Get that white shit up out your head, we don't need light. I got a perfect mix of that real shit in the similes. If you ain't got it go to be shooting at, that's a penalty. I stepped it up a level, I don't know what's got an enemy. I want the other side to be winning too, I want symmetry. And that's as real as it ever can get. It's off the love for a reason, cause we better than this. I wanna be better than you, it's just competitiveness. I wrote these verses, now I swear I know I'm ready for this. Down bad, had my head in the dirt. I lifted up from the ground, I thought it'd be noise. I made it out, now I'm ready to work. I broke away from the curse, got rid of all my always. You can make things better or worse, but at the end of the day, everything's okay. I love my brothers, put my family first. It's on you if it get better or worse. It's on you if it get worse or better. No need to suffer all alone when we get hurt together. Sometimes I'm later that it happens, it be worse than never. Swear to God, make it worse than ever. I said, it's on you if it get worse or better. No need to suffer all alone when we get hurt together. Sometimes I'm later that it happens,
I shocked that metal back for these dents. I'm gonna do hella prep work. But he getting it all cleaned up. Man, when I first seen this car, we talking about the insides was so trashed because the people that had the car prior, they knew they was gonna lose it, I guess, so they decided to trash it out. And this is cool, this little feature. I think this is a pretty cool little feature on this car right here. How the key's made. Circle key. If you like push it in and start it up, it's a little different, you know? Show y'all. That's a little start button. I don't know what year this is. I can find out for y'all. Let me see. This is a 2012. So this probably, it says January 2012. Either this is 2012 or 2013. Not that sure. But this color is interesting. Let me see. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, we just gonna do the roof. It was one main big dent that I seen in there. He said he was gonna take the headliner out, but he didn't take the headliner down. So I guess I took the headliner down. I never took one down in this car. What's the worst that could happen, you know? Oh man, it is cold as hell today. It's Thursday, and I'm talking about out of nowhere. This whole week has been kind of like cold, but not like this. Now it's like ice on the ground. I feel like my hand's about to be frostbit, so I'm gonna cut the heater on the big boy truck. That's what I'm in today, because the Mustang is not equipped to handle this type of weather. Evidently, the road's pretty bad in some areas, worse than some. But I'm not sure, because some of my clients had booked with me, and then they called me and was like, hey man, the weather too bad. I'm not even gonna be able to do it. Hey, I respect it, because shoot, at the same time, I'm not finna go out there and try to tear my car up. So I just decided not to go to the shop today. But I got a couple errands I gotta run. I gotta get gas for the diesel heater. I gotta get propane for the small heater. So I gotta go to the gas station, and I gotta go to Home Depot. I just like the propane at Home Depot. It just look a lot better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just give y'all a little riding footage of, you know, how the weather is, how the streets is looking. Hopefully we won't see too many bad wrecks on the way up there. But yeah, that's what I'm finna do.
You can make things better or worse, but at the end of the day, everything's okay. I love my brothers, put my family first. It's on you if it get better or worse. It's on you if it get worse or better. No need to suffer all alone when we get hurt together. Sometimes I'm later that it happens. I said, it's on you if it get worse or better. No need to suffer all alone when we get hurt together. Sometimes I'm later that it happens, it be worse than never. I get it all up off the muscle, cause the perks is better, my nigga. Made it out, now I'm ready to work. Down bad, had my head in the dirt.
Got it back in here. So this is what the shop looking like. I'm gonna show y'all everything that's going on at the shop. You know what I'm saying? Like, just give y'all a quick little glimpse of what today's looking like. You know what I'm saying? Because this cold weather is putting a little strain on my business all the way around. On top of the COVID, it's hurting both of my businesses, this weather and the COVID. But just like any other time, I'm always gonna find a way to do something to improvise. So I've been doing a lot of DoorDash. That's been helping me get by, you know, while I build my body shop business. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna drop these buckles down. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start off with the action. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start off with the action. Like, the big red. You know what I'm saying? I always got something there. I'm just gonna let y'all see a glimpse of it. Just let y'all get a little glimpse of this bad little sucker right here, man. I don't know what year this is. I think it's a 55. Y'all done seen in some other videos. And I'm gonna keep on showing y'all long as it's here. This is an amazing machine right here. Custom chassis. Yeah, we going with this one. Shaved. We're gonna refinish that, but it's still an etch. So this truck was probably in bare metal. Probably stripped it down, sandblasted. Trying to see where the rust and everything. Took all the body fill out of it. Yeah, my rotors is pretty rusty back there, ain't they? Jeez. Yeah, the intros is nice. Oh man. Got the bed over here. We have to make room in the shop. We have to move a lot of stuff around. Move a lot of stuff around. So we got this one right here, the Frontier. We haven't pulled those rails, but we still gonna get to it. This guy, he's not in no hurry. This guy, he needs his truck back. So we went ahead and moving forward with this one, and the Nissan, these the two that's supposed to be going home. And so I'm doing all I can to ensure that this stuff goes home. This one gonna be a while. With this one, it's a custom job, and the custom job sometimes they require standing around the shop a little bit longer than what I usually be rolling. This truck, I don't know, it's not my deal, it's my painter's deal. When his friends or customers or whatnot. Now all these cars are deals that I negotiated. Like sometimes some of them be my jobs, but either way, when it comes to Straight Line Customs, it's gonna get it done. I don't care who bid the job, how the job get here, as long as the job get done right. Quality to a certain standard, the Straight Line Custom standard. So no glass in it. We the two trucks are custom, and then we got our nasty wreck, the Frontier, and then we got 3 little fender benders, which would be this one, and let me see. I'm gonna take y'all in the booth so y'all can see the Nissan. Then I'm gonna cut on the compressor and start getting to it. I'm gonna give y'all a rundown what I got to do today, just to make sure that, like I said, things stay on track. It's okay to get a day or two behind. And then you start getting weeks behind, a week or beyond a week. Then you get a month behind. When you start getting behind like that, it's bad business. So, yep. This is it right here. what I'm about to do is 320 this, so you can feather edge it. We can maybe like he can probably hit there with like a little bit of primer. Try to get that down for him. He's gonna paint this, mix that in, and then re-clear this whole door. So right now I have to mask off the handle, mask off the glass, you know, mask off a lot of stuff, and then run the plastic. So that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, I'm gonna film a little bit of it. But it'd be hard for me to film and work because see, I be wanting to listen to my music. You know what I'm saying? That's what I be wanting to listen to. I be wanting to listen to my music. So I'm probably gonna listen to my music while I work because I only got one phone right now. And I'm making the most of it. Now, if I had two phones, it'd be a lot easier because I can listen to music on one, work with the other. But I'm just the type of person, I like my life to be simple. One phone is good enough for me. But yeah. Cooper. It's in for roof repairs on this one. Got a couple of dings in the roof. Got a little oil can thing going on. You know, we gotta shock that. Y'all hear that? Gotta shock that metal back. Pull these dents. I'm gonna do a hell of prep work. But he getting it all cleaned up. Man, when I first seen this car, we talking about the insides was so trashed because the people that had the car prior, they knew they was gonna lose it, I guess, so they decided to trash it out. And this is cool, this little feature. I think this is a pretty cool little feature on this car right here. How the key's made. Circle key. They like push it in and start it up. It's a little different, you know? Show y'all. A little start button. I don't know what year this is. I can find out for y'all. Let me see. This is a 2012. So this probably, it says January 2012. Either this is 2012 or 2013. No, that's sure. But this color is interesting. You can see, it's pretty interesting. But yeah, we just gonna do the roof. It was one main big dent that I seen in there. He said he was gonna take the headliner out, but he didn't take the headliner down. So I guess I'll take the headliner down. I never took one down in this car. What's the worst that can happen, you know?
Make things better or worse, but at the end of the day, everything's okay. I love my brothers, put my family first. It's on you if it get better or worse. It's on you if it get worse or better. No need to suffer all alone when we get hurt together. Sometimes the later that it happens, it be worse than ever. Swear to God, make it worse than ever. I said, it's on you if it get worse or better. No need to suffer all alone when we get hurt together. Sometimes the later that it happens, it be worse than ever. I get it all up off the muscle, cause the perks is better, my nigga. Made it out now, ready to work. rid of all my always. You can make things better or worse, but at the end of the day, everything's okay. I love my brothers, put my family first. It's on you if it get better or worse. It's up to you, I'm only telling the truth. To make it better or worse, my nigga, you gotta choose. Fuck the beef, my nigga, we need a truce. So we gon' stay at the bottom like some motherfucking roots. And I ain't tryna stay, nigga, I need to make it.
I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get the freshest, hottest new videos as soon as they drop.